Let's wait for some people to join up and then we can dive into this conversation. So far, nobody's joined, but hopefully in a little bit, we'll have a few people on the live stream. So I guess if everything's good and everybody can hear me, we'll start diving into the technical analysis and the interesting views of XRP potentially blowing up after Ethereum. So yeah, we just got to hold up. I guess right now the lives are starting to pour in, or the live stream is starting to be published. So we got a few people joining me. There we go. Just waiting, guys, for some other people to join the live stream before we jump into this interesting topic. Everybody just leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Can you hear me clearly? I'm hoping everybody can hear me clearly. I hope everyone can hear me clearly. Dang, I gotta remember, somebody remind me next time to get a water bottle so when I'm talking, I don't trip up on my words. But does everybody hear me? Drop a comment. I guess it's clear. Yep, everybody can hear me. Great. So we have a few people joining into the live stream. I have a bunch of stuff that I wanted to discuss with you guys. There's a lot of things happening right now. What did somebody say? I'm going to be, let me check. What's up, my friend? Can hear you loud and clear. Awesome. Okay, great. So there's a few things we have to go over and discuss with this upcoming week. Where in the video can't hear anything. Now, you guys should all hear me clear as day. That's hopefully what you guys can hear. What's your target for next impulse? All right, before we dive into the technical analysis, a bunch of updates that I need to do. What is this car? This is my car. It is an Audi RS3. Great, good here. Everybody can hear me. All right, so to dive into what we have to talk about in today's video, obviously, you guys know we broke 50,000 subscribers. This is a massive milestone, and I just wanted to spend some time talking about how happy and thankful I am for all you guys that have made this possible. The next step from here on out is 100K, guys. The next step is 100,000 subscribers, which will be honestly a monumental movement. Honestly, 50K right now just proves to me that my hard work has paid off, that you guys have been so supportive of the channel, that everything has just been working out so amazingly. I started the channel probably like 4 or 5 years ago in college in my dorm room when I was I think I was a sophomore. I started my sophomore year, second semester of sophomore year. And I had an older channel that we started on this one, which only had maybe like 100 subscribers, and we started talking about cryptocurrency and learning and adapting and making the channel better and to where it is today. And after freaking 4 years, we managed to get it up to 50,000. I know that's a lot, but I know it's a little in regards to in regards to YouTube as a whole. But in regards to the cryptocurrency niche, we are so up there. We are definitely like here to stay, and we're doing a killer job. But another update, so thank you guys all for helping get the channel to 50K subscribers. And on that note, we are going to be doing the XRP giveaway probably this weekend. I'm going to do the giveaway for the XRP crypto coin display light, and one lucky person I'm going to choose from one of the videos to get one of these. So it's going to be really cool. All you guys have to do is just comment and subscribe. That's literally it. If you're not subscribed, you ain't winning one. But if you comment, you will win one of these XRP coin displays. And if you guys want a little cheat code to how you could potentially win, is I just choose a video of my past weekly uploads, and I choose the highest ranking video, so the one with the most views, so around 11K. Now, if there's 2 videos with 11K, I'm going to randomly choose one. So what would be a smart idea is to go back in my videos from this week and comment XRP subscribed, or comment whatever Bitcoin subscribed on every video. This way you increase your odds of winning it. And we'll probably be doing this next week. So definitely make sure to partake in that. The next thing I wanted to talk about with you guys, since I have not done a live stream in a really long time, and I wanted to jump on it again, because I really like having live streams, but I don't know, sometimes I'm just not feeling camera, feeling the camera or feeling a live stream. But hopefully I plan on doing more. Hopefully this week I plan on doing more. Recently, or a couple of months ago, I actually planned a trip to go to Florida. not only to look for an apartment to eventually move into, which I've asked a lot of you guys about, and you guys have had amazing feedback in regards to like Fort Myers, Naples, all these areas, but more so, I've been looking, I'm going to talk about XRP in a minute, guys, just let me tell you guys everything that's going on. Next week, actually tomorrow, I'm going to Florida. Tomorrow, I'm going to Florida for vacation, right? So the schedule might be a little broken up for the next week, which obviously I like doing that. I love videos for you guys and creating content, but because I'm going to Florida next week, so I still will be able to create a video, but moving forward from there, I will be in Florida creating these videos. I'm going to be bringing my iPhone, as you guys can see, which is pretty much clear as day, and I'm going to be bringing my laptop, so I'm going to be trying to make content in Florida. So it's going to be one of two ways. Either the place that I'm staying in has great Wi-Fi and I can pump out normal videos just with a different background than I normally have, or they're going to have terrible Wi-Fi and I'll either have to drive to like a Starbucks or something to upload videos, or I'm just going to do live streams. It's really going to be one of those two, either a live stream or I'm going to be doing an upload. So we'll figure that out. So that's really what it is that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Giveaway, going to Florida, and then moving forward from there to talk about cryptocurrency, XRP, so on and so forth. In regards to XRP, the way this crypto market has been going. As you guys know, the past couple of days, we've been making videos pretty much tracking a big symmetrical triangle within cryptocurrency. Pretty much all the major cryptos, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, or not necessarily Cardano, but Binance and XRP. And all of these were forming some sort of big symmetrical triangle where we were able to pinpoint some sort of Elliott wave formation where we had a 5-point confirmation and we completed the A to B formation, and then we were expecting to see a B to C correction, which was expected in most of these cryptocurrencies, pretty much figuring out how we were going to react to retesting the top resistance, which for Bitcoin was $50,000, and for XRP it was $1.30. For Ethereum it was like 3,300 in these regions. The problem we were having was we were for pretty much like 2 weeks now constantly moving up, retesting this resistance and just falling back down. So Bitcoin was trading between like 48,000, 47,000 and 50, and it was 50, 47, 50, 47, 48, 47, 46. Yes, it is an RS3 that I have, but because we were trading for so freaking long, the longer we were doing this, the more anticipation I had and you guys had for Bitcoin to correct and fall from B to C. We had drawn an uptrend. There was a very nice uptrend we've had for like 3 weeks now, the small uptrend, allowing the coin to go from point A to point B on the Elliott wave formation. And then we were anticipating either getting rejected from the 50K resistance of Bitcoin and then seeing a B to C formation correcting us lower. What was crazy and what was phenomenal is that Ethereum managed to break through this resistance, and that's pretty much what we've been waiting for. All these cryptocurrencies, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Binance, all had an uptrend that was retesting its price ceiling, and we needed to confirm if we were going to be breaking out of this big symmetrical triangle earlier, or if we were going to be fumbling all the way down to the downside. To my surprise, Ethereum broke through the $3,300 resistance, closed at like 3,400. We bought in at 34 and rode it all the way up to like 3,900, wherever it is now, maybe like a little less than $4,000, which was phenomenal. So the fact that we had this confirmation is allowing itself to say, okay, volume is coming into these cryptos, volume is coming into Ethereum. That should mean volume is probably going to be coming into these other cryptocurrencies, that the opportunity for crypto, for XRP to pump higher is there. So the fact that we broke through the $3,300 price ceiling and we broke out of the Elliott wave on Ethereum is allowing us to go even higher, and it's allowing these other cryptos like XRP to give it a chance to break and do the same exact thing. So that's really what we're looking at. We're looking for XRP and Bitcoin to follow Ethereum's footsteps, and that's really what we're looking for. So if we see honestly a confirmation where we close above XRP, we close XRP above its resistance of $1.30, we close at $1.33, we close at $1.35, that would be enough for us to buy in and leverage to the upside. So right now, to answer most of your questions, have we bought in? Yes, it's to Ethereum. We bought into Ethereum. We bought in expecting to shoot up. Next target for XRP would probably be like $1.55, $1.55, $1.50. We broke through $1.30, I believe, or we're retesting $1.30, $1.28. And if we break through that, we'll probably see $1.40 in that range. So what brand is that t-shirt, bro? Looks cool. It is a property, it's a barbell shirt I was just at the gym. But that's pretty much what we're looking at. So we've bought into Ethereum. We actually, last week, we weren't in any crypto. We didn't buy into anything. We bought into Ethereum like 3 days ago because it broke through its $3,300 resistance and it's exploding to $4,000. We're still not in Bitcoin yet, or I'm still not in Bitcoin yet. I'm still not in XRP. I'm still not in Binance. All these cryptos are just floating at its price ceiling. They're hitting it and falling lower and hitting it and falling lower and hitting it and falling lower. And it has not broken through yet. So what we need, yep, XRP is at $1.31. Thank you for the update, Daniela. I really appreciate that. For right now, you have not broken through that resistance. So until, what year is the RS3? Thinking about getting one with my XRP profit soon. It's a 2018 Audi RS3, fully loaded with the dynamic package. What do you mean you're not in? I didn't see that. You have none. No, you guys have to understand. You can have cryptocurrency for the long term, and then you can also swing trade XRP. So when I'm referring to the fact that I'm not into XRP just yet is because I have not made another short-term trade. We scalp the market. You can hold long-term as we do. We have bags of it because long-term, honestly, I think we're fine with all these cryptocurrencies. They're all going to be exploding to the upside. But short-term, in regards to trading within today, tomorrow, the next day, I'm not in it yet. As most of you should understand by now, we've made it very clear that we're scalping this market. So when we see the price actually breach through, that's when we'll buy in for a very small leverage trade on Bityard, as you guys should know. So continuing on with that, yes, I try to be extremely transparent with this channel. That's really like the #1 principle that I have moving forward and in life. How much XRP are you holding and for how long? I try not to answer questions in regards to how much money I have invested into the markets like that, because I just feel like it not only does it become a difference in opinion and a different view of the way you guys portray the way I trade, I also don't want to implicate having emotions invested into my trading when it is that I'm all right, cool. We're back on. That was weird. I also lost Wi-Fi. I don't even know why I have Wi-Fi. I was in a park. But yeah, that's hopefully to answer all you guys' questions. Yeah, I saw it lagging. We should be up and better now soon. But that's hopefully, I'm trying to answer that question as honestly as I can. That's why I don't like to publicize how much I own. It's also not the smartest thing to publicize what you own. No, it shouldn't be frozen. Hopefully you guys got it. I should be back. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up in the chat if I'm back and you can hear me clearly. I should be. A lot of you guys are coming on. No, I thought it's definitely not your phone. I just lost. Yeah, no, I just lost service for a minute. So yeah, no, don't worry about it. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're waiting for. But I've been very excited about this market. We've been waiting like 3 weeks patiently for some sort of aggression in this market, some sort of big volume dump in this market. And it's been days now of waiting, and we've been getting very impatient, I understand. But finally, we're starting to have that volume come back into the market, and it's becoming very exciting. What's interesting, and hopefully you guys watched this on my last video, I actually talked about why people were gathering or assuming that Ethereum exploded to the upside, was because Ethereum is burning tokens. It's not Ethereum directly, it's the OpenSea market for NFTs. I guess when they are collecting so much so in Ethereum, they're actually sending it to a dead wallet to burn the tokens so that it's out of, circulation, allowing the price to inflate higher and potentially making these these NFT prices even higher. It's shooting the prices higher. Whatever, that's crazy. Guys, definitely make sure to leave a like if you like these videos. Definitely make sure it helps out the YouTube algorithm. It also helps me know that you guys want to see more live streams, because if you don't want to see more live streams, then I won't be doing this anymore. But if you like to see live streams, then definitely make sure to smash the like button on today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button on today's live stream. We got 240 people in the chat right now and only 88 likes. That's definitely not the right odds and the right ratio. We got to just even them up a little bit because they're not even. As you guys know, we're still doing the XRP Ripple giveaway for the crypto coin display. the XRP coin display, so I'm very excited for that. Thank you guys. I'm glad you guys like these live streams. Very excited to do that. Do I think there'll be another bull run in the future with regulations being enforced? Any complaints about the Audi? Honestly, no. I've had 2 Audis in the past. I've had an Audi A3, and this is my Audi RS3. The A3, I've had issues with the water pump, but I had it replaced, and it was totally fine after that. As for Audi in general, just make sure you maintain it. I do my own oil changes. I don't trust anyone else to really do it. I do as much work as I can on my own car to minimize the amount of other people doing work, because I believe I have the ability to do that. And if I can do it, then I have that confidence that I know what I did, and I can value that work because I did it. So yeah, that's about my altcoin Audi RS3. So, but yeah, that's pretty much majority of the topics that we're going to have. I have maybe another like 10 minutes, 5 minutes to wrap up today's live stream. Hey, there you go. Thank you so much, Tuna Medusa, for donating $5. I really appreciate that. You don't have to. I always say, please invest in yourself. Go put your money into your mutual funds or your Roth IRA. But thank you so much. We did just hit 50K subscribers. It's been a massive milestone. It represents 4 years in cryptocurrency. It represents 4 years on the channel, and it's been absolutely wild. So thank you so much for the donation. I really do appreciate you. I'm just reading everybody else's comments as well. But yeah, really what we're looking for right now, for all those that are new to the live stream, the price that we buy into XRP will be pretty much very similar with the prices that we buy into Bitcoin and the price that we buy into Binance. Binance, Bitcoin, and Ethereum and XRP have yet to break through the top resistance level, the price ceiling. We got another donation. What ledger can be used for XRP and HBAR? What do you mean by ledger? Do you mean like a cryptocurrency exchange, a cryptocurrency wallet? You have external hardware wallets. You have, hard drive wallets. What do you mean focused MBA by an external? Hopefully I'm answering your question right. I use Bityard when I like to trade trade XRP. Hopefully you guys like that too. Hopefully you can use that. External hardware wallets. That's a great question. I'm trying to think off the top of my head, as there's a helicopter flying over me, and I think it's one of my friends actually driving the helicopter. That's pretty crazy. Let me see. That's actually pretty wild. There's a freaking helicopter. Yeah, but okay, in regards to what hardware wallet, I mean, I have a ton of hardware wallets, so I'm not sure at the moment which ones are accepting. It might be Ledger. I mean, you have to check Ledger. You have to see if Ledger is something that accepts it. When I go home, I will check. I'm just having a mind blank right now because we're on the live stream and it's a different question than one that I'm normally asked. But I mean, it would be just very easy to just Google it and see it. I don't know where the hell. I would send you the helicopter now, but there was literally one flying over my head, and I have photos of it in the past on my Instagram, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Ledger can hold XRP. Like I might have like 4 or 5 ledgers that they've sent me, and yeah, Ledger accepts XRP. So there you go. So if you have a ledger, you can accept XRP and you can put that onto there. Pretty easy. Now, here's the thing with Ledger. Do not buy a Ledger on Amazon. Buy it directly from the company. There's a lot of people, or on eBay or anywhere else except from the company itself, a lot of people will pre-open Ledgers and write down the seed and set them up as such. And then when you receive them, not thinking much, you'll put your cryptocurrency onto it. They have the recovery seed and the recovery phase. You put your crypto on it. After a month of them selling it, they will just back and withdraw they will just withdraw all your money onto it. So be very careful where you buy hardware wallets from. Always get it directly from the manufacturer. That's a big thing that I push. So definitely make sure you do that. HBAR and XRP together. I mean, honestly, it wouldn't make a difference if you could have both of them on it, or if you can just have 2 separate external hardware wallets that have smaller altcoins like that. So that's an option. I mean, there's plenty of crypto exchanges too that you can just leave HBAR on, but obviously it depends on how much cryptocurrency you have. Like I'm not uncomfortable it's not uncomfortable to me to leave HBAR or whatever crypto on an exchange if it's not a lot. But if you're talking a lot of money, I'd probably just transfer it into a different altcoin and leave it on the wallet that's accepted. There's a reason why those cryptocurrencies are on those wallets. Just understand which ones it are. But on the top of my head, I can't think of which external hardware wallet has HBAR. But you're gonna have to just probably Google it at that point. But yeah, just go with Trezor or Ledger in regards to some of the more common ones. I think LAPAL is also a really good brand. So definitely check that out. But in regards to when we're going to be buying in, the second we see confirmation of a break above our $1.30 resistance level for XRP, that's when we plan on buying in. So just be careful, guys. That's really what I wanted to talk about in today's episode. Again, for all those new, before I sign off and go finish packing for Florida, what you guys have to understand, Ethereum broke bullish. Ethereum broke through our price ceiling. Ethereum broke through our L8 wave formation and our symmetrical triangle, and we shot up to the upside. So because Ethereum broke bullish, it's signaling the fact that volume is still able to come into the market. Volume is still able to come into XRP, into Bitcoin, into Binance. And if we can confirm a break above, do not buy in now. Swear, do not hold on to these cryptos now in the short term if you plan on leveraging it. It's very foolish because it's honestly like a 60-40 chance we break bullish. And just give yourself time, allow yourselves to break bullish first, then buy in. There'll be plenty of volume left to buy into. Because if you just buy in today at $1.30, tomorrow we could be at $1, or tomorrow we could be at $1.50. You don't know which way we're going to break to. So let the market play out first, then buy in. That's the strategy that I use. Let's wait for the confirmation first. There'll be plenty of volume for us to buy in. Honestly, just wait for the daily candle to close. If XRP closes like $1.35, then we'll buy in because it's broken outside of major resistances and we'll leverage it to the upside. If XRP doesn't and we break through our uptrend that we have and we close at like $1.25, we know to short it to the downside. That's what we have to pay attention to. The same thing happens with, yes, don't leave any big any big crypto numbers on exchanges, obviously, because they can get hacked, like Mt. Gox and many others, and even Binance has gotten hacked. And the same thing applies itself with, Binance Coin and Bitcoin. We're really looking at 50K as a major resistance level. I'm looking to buy into Bitcoin the second we break through like 50,500 and we close that daily candle above that resistance. If we don't, we close at like 49K, 49.6. I don't remember the exact numbers. You're gonna have to reference this morning's video. Then we'll buy in at those levels and we'll short it to the downside. But regardless, overall, in general, very beginner breakdown, if we see the price is broken at the price ceiling or I'm going to scratch that. If we can see, we're going to see volume regardless. It doesn't matter which way. We're going to make money regardless of whether we break bullish or break bearish. Volume is coming and it's going to be big. So whether or not we break bullish or bearish, there's still going to be a big opportunity to short it or buy in long and leverage to the upside. Both options are available. I know it's a very obvious, stupid thing to say that most people should probably know by now, but most people don't. Given the opportunity, we're going to short Bitcoin from like 50K or 49K that we're at, all the way down to like 40K or 33K. One of those levels. It's going to be a massive drop. Or we're going to break bullish, break through 50K and shoot up to 65K, and we're going to make a ton of money shooting up. But that's pretty much it. That's what you guys have to understand. Otherwise, it's about 4 o'clock here in New York. So I'm going to have to sign off for today's video. Thank you, all 230 of you, for joining today's live stream. If you like this, definitely make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification. This way, I know that you guys like these live streams. But once again, we're going to be doing the XRP crypto coin display giveaway probably this weekend for one lucky winner. So make sure to comment XRP and subscribe in any of my videos or all of my last week's videos. And remember, this week I'm going to be in Florida, so I will still be making YouTube videos. It just might be a live stream, or it might be a normal video that will probably be uploaded at random schedules, maybe in the afternoon. I don't know. Otherwise, thank you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace, guys. Thank you.